If something is wrong with your Affinity Photo, maybe some options are missing or the app is not working properly, then a factory reset is the best way to fix almost every issue. Just hold the Control key and click the Affinity Photo icon to open it. This reset window will appear. Now check the boxes for the data you want to clear, or simply click Select All for a full reset. After that, click to clear. Affinity Photo should restart completely fresh, just like a newly installed copy. Now log in again with your Canva account, and everything should start working properly again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share the video. Feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what tutorial you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.